So today we're going to be installing that on that SC Project CRT exhaust on a 2014 Ducati Monster 1200S. Allen bolt back here to remove. And I already filmed the sound of this factory muffler, its factory exhaust, prior to this removal. And at the end of the video, we'll do some before and after with the engine idling and some revving and pull away and a flyby. So stay tuned till the end of the video for that. This part's a little boring to watch. Alright, it should be free now. I'm just gonna turn it gently and work it out with the pipe. There we go. That weighs quite a bit too. At the end of the video, I'll probably weigh that and compare it to the CRT exhaust that we're installing and see what kind of weight savings we have. Now on to the install. Now that we've got the factory exhaust removed, I'll put gloves on to try and keep some of the oils from my hands from getting on the pipes, which will cause it to discolor when it gets hot. But I'm also going to clean them with rubbing alcohol before firing it up. That's really nice looking. I'm about to start fitting these pipes, but before I piece them together, I want to put a little bit of anti-seize on those fittings. This is a copper-based anti-seize. It's supposed to be good for up to about 1800 degrees, and it'll just make the parts hopefully slide together a little easier and make it easier to remove next time if somebody needs to take them apart. I wanted to use a nickel-based anti-seize, which is good for a little higher temperature, but could not find that locally, and I didn't want to wait to order it online. And I have to apply it to the outside of this pipe because it fits in between two small pieces right here, kind of sandwiched in the middle. So we need to put it on both sides since it is sandwiched in the middle, on the inner lip and the outer lip. A little bit goes a long way. too little than too much. Looks like just the right amount. Fits pretty nicely in there. Put a little bit where this band goes as well, so that it can tighten a little more evenly without having to put quite as much torque, and it won't seize there either. I'm not going to tighten anything up yet. Time for new gloves. And that's going to tighten right there when we're said and done. Alright, now I want to get this bolt installed at the top of the pipe. And SC Project provides their bolt because the thickness of the material is not as long as the original, as wide as the original, and the original bolt therefore is too long. I'm going to put some blue thread locker on this bolt because Ducatis vibrate a lot. I just want to get everything hand tight, so we're not going to tighten it all the way up. We've got quite a ways to go here. Alright, there we go. This moves a little bit still. Get that exhaust pipe. It's the slip-on exhaust. Let's put a little bit of anti-seize on the inside of this pipe where it's going to slide over the connector pipe. Don't need too much. I'm going to spread this around. Time for a new glove. The option to either remove this heat deflector or leave it, but I'm going to leave it so that when this is down and somebody's foot's here, it protects the exhaust and keeps the heat off of their foot a little bit better. It does block the pipe a little bit, but that's alright. Just twist that a little bit and work it down, and it's all the way down now. This clip's going to be difficult to get to under here, these spring clips that hold it on. Let's see if we can get this one. There you go, that one's on the bottom. Let me get my spring puller. So we can get this on the top. The spring puller's in the way now. Here we go. Yeah, one more for the bottom. Because I'm having to pull on this, that's why I tightened all the other hardware first. Of course, I need to rotate it. Out. There we go. And it feels really pretty solid. See, those same springs are all we have connecting this pipe in the middle. Now, make sure everything's good and tight, and clean this new section with alcohol. We do have a little bit of clearance back here, so that should be good. I'm wiping it down with rubbing alcohol to remove any oils from my hands or the thread sealant or the anti-seize, and that way hopefully the pipe will burn in to match this existing pipe without any strange fingerprints burned in. Factory exhaust. Start up. This is startup and idle with the new exhaust. SC Project CRT exhaust.